A belief, like steel wire forming, leading the way forward. A perseverance, like iron wire forming, supporting the dream of the industry. This is a team, entrepreneurial road to excellence. This is a brand, very popular in the domestic market, create a miracle hot cell in the world. Today's Belan wire bending factory plant covers 5,000 square meters. More than 100 professional technicians. Annual output more than 500 machines. Belan is a national high-tech industry. Over 10 years of hard work. Gain industry-leading productivity and industry influence. Our company adheres to living by quality development by credit as a business philosophy. Always adhere to marketing as the lead. Production as the core. Technology research and development as the foundation. Product quality as guarantee. Cost accounting as the basis. Process control as the mean. Provide excellent wire forming equipment. From machine design. Technical proposal. Technical implementation. Belan always keeping developing and innovating. Committed to international standards. Responds to the market with perfect services. Help customers solve various problems timely. Belan is committed to promoting China's manufacturing industry continuous intelligent upgrading. Make industry return to natural beauty. Step by step. Belan brand has won international reputation.